Your confirmation statement now costs £50. Takes about 10 minutes approximately, and this year, for the first time ever, Companies House will ask you to confirm your verified identity when you file it. If you miss it, you can face a fine of up to £5,000, or your company gets struck off. I'll file one on the screen right now so you know what's going on. Now, a confirmation statement isn't accounts, and it isn't tax. It's you telling Companies House once a year, my records are correct. You must file at least one every 12 months, and you get 14 days after your review period ends to do it. So, file nothing and Companies House can fine you up to £5,000 and strike the company off the register completely. So here's two changes that trip people up this year. One is since February 2026, the online fee is £50 versus £110 on paper, so file online for the savings. Since the 18th of November 2025, every new director has to verify their identity, and every existing director confirms they're verified when they file their next confirmation statement. During the transition that runs to November 2026, if you haven't verified yet, do it before you file. It's free with gov.uk one login. So sign into Companies House. Click File a Confirmation Statement service. Check each of the screens as well. You've got Registered Office, Directors, PSCs, People with Significant Control that is, and Share Capital, and SIC codes. So since March 2024, you also confirm the company's future activities are lawful. That's one tick box, and if you haven't yet given Companies House a registered email address, it's collected here as well, but it's not published anywhere in the public. Then pay the £50 and submit. Now, there are three common mistakes that trip most people up when filing a confirmation statement. Mistake number one, thinking no changes means no filing. You must file even if nothing changed. Mistake number two is confusing it with annual accounts. It's actually a separate filing and a separate deadline. Mistake number three is leaving it past the 14-day window because the reminder email went to an old address. And that's exactly why the new registered email requirement exists to fix this mistake. So, if your review period's a mess, you've got overdue statements stacking up, or you'd rather never think about this, we file it all for you. The link is in the comments below. And if you're forming a new company, the next video takes you through the whole 2026 registration process, ID verification included. Thanks for watching.